Good morning, children. All are fine? Following the classes? Yes, very good. I think all are following the classes. Yes, today also we had the morning session class. Yes, but you are not answering well. You have to answer well, ma. Follow the videos carefully. Write down the important points in it. Okay, write down the important points, and if you get the doubts, write down in a book and ask me. Yes, what is our lesson name? What is our lesson name? It is reading and making maps. What is our lesson name? Reading and making maps. What is our first lesson? Reading and making maps. Remember? So in this lesson, what the topics we have learned? We have learned about the sketch map. We have learned about the sketch map. What is a sketch map? Very easy. Sketch map is nothing but a route map. Sketch map is nothing but a route map. Okay then. Then we have seen about directions. How many directions are there? Yes, 4 directions are there. What are those? East. I told you east. Facing the sun. Facing the sun is called east. Behind you, it is a west. West. And right hand, south. Right hand, south. Left hand, north. Okay? Again I am repeating you. Okay then. Then we have learned that relative directions. Relative directions. What are relative directions? All the directions are related to each other. Yes. Now I will say I am to the east. I will say I am to the south. I will say I am to the west. I will say I am to the north. Like that. All the directions are related to each other. Yes. 4. We have learned directions on a map. We have learned directions on a map. So if you see directions on a map, yes, how it is? It is. Why? Because everyone should not get confused when we are using the maps. In the world, everyone will use the maps. Not to get confused, what we are taking? Correct thing we are taking. That is north top, south bottom, right hand east, left hand west. Like this we are taking on a map. On a map we are taking like this. Yes? Yes. Till here we have revised. Now today very important thing we are learning. Very important thing we are learning. What is it? It is scale. What is it? It is the scale. What is the scale, teacher? Yes. We will use a scale to draw the lines like that. But this is not. This is a scale which is used on the maps. Which is used to draw on the maps. What is it? Now, already you heard about a story. That is about Laila and Mallika. Yes, Laila visited Mallika's house, Venkatapuram. When after visiting there, what Laila has done? She wanted to see the village. So one evening, Laila and Mallika went to see the village. Then what they have done? They came through a bridge. Yes, you can see here. This is a bridge. In the village, they have seen the bridge. You can see it here. In your textbooks it will be there. This is a bridge. They came. Yes, this bridge, it is very beautiful. Yes, and it had the lamp post. How many are there here lamp posts? If you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lamp posts are there. On the bridge, if you see, there are 6 lamp posts. How many are there? 6 lamp posts. How many are there? 6 lamp posts are there. Yes. On a bridge, if you see, 6 lamp posts are there. Yes. Then the distance of the bridge, the total length of the bridge is how much? 500 meters. 500 meters. The total length of the bridge is 500 meters. And the distance between two bridges, the distance between two lamp posts. Lamp post is 100 meters. that is. Okay then. After coming home, Laila wanted to draw that bridge on a paper. After coming home, Laila wanted to draw it on a paper. So now you see here, she has drawn like this. Now she has drawn like this. Yes or no? But now you see, this bridge is so big and what she has drawn is very small. How she has drawn? How she has drawn? That is, she has used the scale. That is, she has used the scale. What is the scale now? Scale is nothing but actual distance. Actual distance on the ground, reduced it and drawing on a map. Actual distance on the ground, reducing it and drawing on a map, it is called as scale. Understood ma? Scale is nothing but actual distance on the ground by reducing it on a map. It is called a scale. It is called a scale. Again I will write down. We just see it here. Scale is what? Scale. Actual distance on a ground, reduced on a map. This word is very important. Reduced on a map. Otherwise, simply we can say ratio between the distances drawn on a map. Ratio between the distances drawn on a map. That is also called scale. How teacher? Now I will tell you. How teacher? I will tell you now. Yes. Now how means, now you see here. Now actual total length is 500 meters. So what she has done? This 500 meters. Yes. How she has taken 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meters. 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meters. So 5 centimeters is equal to 500 meters. Like that we have to reduce. Okay ma, simple thing. 1 centimeter we can take it as 100 meters, and if you calculate 5 centimeters is equal to 500 meters. Like that she has taken and she has drawn it on a paper. So this is called as scale. What it is called as? Scale. So today our topic is what? Scale ma. Yes. On the maps if you see, all the scales will be given. On the map if you see, all the scales will be given. If you see here, this is a Indian political map. If you see here the scale is given. Here the scale is given. Yes sir. But simple thing, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers or 100 meters, like that we can take. So every map will have the scale. Every map will have the scales. So scales are given here. By this we can calculate. Understood? Yes sir. What is the scale? Understood ma? Very very important to know about the to draw the maps. We have to use the scales. Now you see here one example is given. You have to do it. Now you take a scale. The distance between the Vanapatri and Mahbub Nagar is given. If the distance is between Vanapatri and Mahbub Nagar is 5 centimeters, then what is the actual distance between two them? Then 1 centimeter is equal to what I said? 100 meters. So 5 centimeters is equal to 500 meters. So the distance between these two is what? 500 meters. Otherwise 500 kilometers also you can say. 500 meters or 500 kilometers. Okay ma? Understood? Now one homework I am going to give. Small homework. Take it down. Yes sir. What is that? Small homework I am giving you. Take the homework. Now take a thread. Here it is. Now take a thread. Yes ma? Take a thread. Now our India map is there. Take the thread and what will do? Our coastal line. Yes, it will be from here, from Gujarat, from here or coastal line will be there. From here you just catch it like this and you find it and you find the distance and you find the distance and find the distance. Yes, sir. Take the thread, take the thread, take the thread, take the thread and you go through it through the coastal line now. Go through the coastal line, go through the coastal line and find out the distance and find out the distance. Find, you will get the, you won't get the actual distance, only you will get the scale. Then you find out the actual distance. Now I will write down on the board. Let's take the homework. Take the homework. Take a thread. Take a thread and measure the coast line of India in a map and find out the actual coastal line using what? Using scale. Using what? Using scale. Okay, understood what? What is the scale? Scale is nothing but reducing the things of the ground on a map. It is called as scale. Follow the lesson. Do the homework very well. Maintain a book. Yes sir. Do the homework in that book. Whatever important points are there, that also note down. Okay. Thank you children. Have a nice day.